First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, before watching the seating arrangement for the mains level exams, so you have to know one important thing. So before watching this video, the same question what I am going to teach here is available as the test series, right? So visit my website or my mobile application, Feel Free to Learn. So there in the reasoning ability, when you scroll down, at the last you can able to see a test called seating arrangement mains level. So there you can able to see the same question as a test for 15 minutes what I am going to teach now. So first what you need to do here is, so friends, first write the test. And if you can able to get 5 out of 5, extremely good. And if you can't able to score that mark and you are struggling to solve the arrangement, and then come and watch this video, right? Why? Because without writing the test just like that, if you watch this video, then 100% the video will be no use. So first you have to write the test, analyze your score, and where you are making a mistake, completely look into all these stuff and then watch the video. Definitely this video will be helpful. So now let me move on to all the seating arrangement for mains level exams. So friends, now let me get into the first set of seating arrangement for the mains level exam. So I hope you have taken the test. So if you got 5 out of 5, extremely good. Why? Because these are the important arrangements where many students will make a mistake, because basically there are some basics in the arrangements, like you have to know if there is a word and, who, whom, which, and either or, neither or, at least, at most, and these are the some important words in the arrangement usually, right? What is called as at least, I think many students have made mistake on this arrangement only because of the word at most. Because of the word at most. So at least, the meaning of at least was minimum to maximum, that is called as at least. The meaning of at most will be maximum to minimum plus none. Never forget that. While teaching probability and while teaching permutation combination, I've told you this again and again, right? So at least, at most, only, you have to know the difference between all the three, right? So at least will be minimum to maximum, at most will be maximum to minimum plus none, and only will be that alone, right? So never forget that those basics are important to solve a question on the arrangements, right? So now let me get into this mains level first arrangement. So if you have not taken the test, kindly go and take the test and then come back and watch this video, right? So totally there are 6 people, so P, Q, R, S, T, and there are at a different position of a company like CLO, CMO, CTO, CFO, COO, and the CEO. They all have a different year of working experience and getting different salary based on the sequence of their designation. So senior most employee gets the highest salary and the maximum year of experience, and the junior has the least year of experience and the salary. So they have given like CEO is the highest experience, so and the least will be CLO, right? CEO is the most experienced person. So and if he is most experienced person, then he will be getting the highest salary as well as his experience is more. And in the question itself they have given CLO is the least experience. So the person who is the CLO, he will be the least experience as well as the person will be getting the lowest salary, right? So first what we can do is we can fix this initially, because CEO will be the top and second will be COO and then CFO, CTO, CMO and COO, right? Or CLO, right? CLO. Okay, so now based upon the question we can go with the possible diagrams if required, right? So what is the first point? The salary of P is a multiple of 11. So the person P salary is a multiple of 11, but here we didn't fix P itself. So now let me take it as a note 1 that the P salary will be multiple of 11. Okay, so the one who has 10 years of experience earns 10k less than you, who is not a CFO. Just see, you, right? You who is not a CFO. So that who represents the person you. So the person you is not CFO. So the point they have given is you is not a CFO. As well as you can see the person one who has 10 years of experience earns less than you. So the person you will not get a salary of 10k. because the person who is who has 10 years of experience is getting 10k less than you. So definitely 10 years of experience will not be the person you, right? Okay, so next point is at most one person is senior to S. Yes, this is the point, right? So at most, see, I think many students have made this mistake. If you can't able to solve the arrangement only because of this, I think so. At most is maximum to minimum, right? And plus none. Here you can able to see at most one person is senior to S. So there are one case that we can fix S here. If you fix S here, maximum one person can be senior to S. Yes or no? Because all the remaining will be juniors. So at most one, right? Maximum one person can be senior of S. Or else S can be the senior itself. He can be the CEO of the company itself. That is the meaning of at most. At most one, maximum one, right? Or else it can be none, right? So that is the meaning of it. You are getting two cases, case 1 and case 2. Most of the students will keep only case 1 and try to solve the arrangement. I hope you will not get the answer if you go with this case. I think answer will be getting in this case only. Remember that the meaning of at most is maximum to minimum plus none. So at most one senior person to S. So one senior person, or else S can be itself a senior. So S can be the CEO, right? So friends, understood, that is the meaning of at most, right? You have at least, if you didn't learn still it, right? Still you have not solved a question like this, at least now understand the word, what is the meaning of at most, right? So that's the reason I've taken this as a first arrangement itself. You should not make any mistake, because most of the difficult level question you can able to see at most, only, at least, these kinds of words, right? Okay, so friends, next point is what? So only two employee or junior than one who has 8 years of experience. Only two employee or junior, just see only, right? So only 2 years of experience, less experience. So we can say that definitely the person will be here. So this person will be 8 years of experience. Why? Because only two employees are junior, all are senior person. So only two employees will be junior. So this person CTO will be 8 years of experience. In case if we going with another possible, we can draw there, right? So next point is the one who is COO has 3 years more experience than one who is getting 60k salary. Just see, the one who is COO, so COO has 3 years of experience, 3 plus years of experience. So 3 plus year experience, but we don't know what is the experience, but he is getting 3 plus experience more, right? So then who is getting 60k salary? Then definitely this person COO will not be getting 60k salary, because the person who is getting 60k salary from that year of experience, he is 3 years more. So definitely from the point we can get an idea that the person who is COO will not getting 60k salary, right? So next point, the sum of salary of CLO and CMO is same. CMO and CLO is same. One who has the maximum year of experience. So when just here, the person, right, the salary of CMO and CLO, if you add these two persons' salary, this salary will be equal to the salary who is getting the maximum year of experience. So maximum year of experience will be CEO. So when you add these two persons' salary, that amount will be equals to the CEO salary person, right? 15 years is the maximum year of working experience. So they have given 15 years. So definitely CEO will be getting 15 years of experience, right? Okay. So S will be the 15 years of experience. Here we don't know who it is. So next point, only two designations are there between S and P. So between S and P there are two designations. So in this case number 1, so I should fix P here. In this case number 2, I should fix P here, right? So in both the cases you can see between S and P there is a gap of two designations. The working experience of CMO and the CTO are in a consecutive years. So CTO and CMO are a consecutive years. When we already know that the person CTO is 8 years of experience. So now the CMO will be 7 years. So why? Because these are the least years of experience and highest years of experience, right? So definitely consecutive years. So these two will be 7 and 8 years of experience, right? So CMO is getting 50k salary. So the person CMO is how much salary? 50k is the salary of the person CMO. So this person's salary 50k. So when just see here. So here we found the person P is 7 years of experience and he is getting 50k salary. First point itself, they have given one important note that the person P salary will be multiples of 11. Whether P salary is multiple of 11? No. Because P is getting 50,000 salary, it is not a multiple of 11. So we can say that the case number 1 is completely eliminated. Why? Because the P salary should be multiple of 11, right? Here P is getting 50k salary. So this case number 1 will be eliminated. This will be the answer now. So we can read the remaining part of the question and we can fix the values, right? So next point is R is junior than P. So just see, the person R is junior than P. So if R is junior than P, either I should fix R here or I should fix R here. There are two places for R. So next what they have given is the CEO salary is 5k less than the square of the smallest 2-digit number. So the person CEO salary is 5k less than the smallest 2-digit square of the smallest 2-digit number. So first, what is the smallest 2-digit number? 10 will be the smallest 2-digit number. And the largest, highest 2-digit number will be 99, because before 10 it will be 1-digit number, right? And after 99 it will be 3-digit number. So smallest 2-digit number will be 10, and we have to square this number. 10 square will be 100 minus of 5k. So resultant will be 95k. So 95k will be the salary of the person who is the CEO, right? Because that's the point they have given. The CEO salary is 5k less than the square of the smallest 2-digit number. So smallest 2-digit number square, 5k less, which will be 95. So that will be the salary of the person CEO, right? So next point, Q is junior than R. So just here, Q is junior than R. Just now we know that R is junior than P. So now the point is saying Q is junior. So if Q is junior than R, then definitely Q will be fixed here, R will be fixed here. Only then we can say Q will be junior than R, R will be junior than P, right? And we know that U is not CFO, so you should not fix U here. So this will be U, right? Remaining one P, Q, R, S, T is remaining, so T should be fixed here, right? Okay, so next point is, so Q is junior than R and having a work experience equal to sum of digit of the salary what R gets. So just see here, the person Q salary, okay, the person Q salary is sum of the, not Q salary, Q is junior than R, having a work experience. Okay, so this person Q work experience is equal to sum of the digit of salary what R gets. So R salary is how much? 50,000, right? So 50,000 will be R salary. Sum of digit 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So when you add all the digit, resultant will be, answer is 5. So this will be the working experience of the person Q. So Q experience will be 5 years. So and then what is the thing they have given? Digit of salary what R gets. Okay, so this will be the salary of the person what R gets. Okay, so next point is, so the salary of the 5k less than the smallest Q is adding work experience equal to the what R gets. Okay, the salary of CTO. Okay, so salary of CTO is less than 57k. Okay, just see here, when the salary of the CMO is getting 50k. Okay, these are the things we have fixed here, right? Okay, so we have all fixed, and now the last point, sorry, still one more point is remaining. The salary of CTO is less than 57k. Just see here, the salary of the person CTO is less than 57k, right? And 57k lesser will be, it can be 56, because this person's salary will be 50. If it is less than 57, when you mark it as 56k, we know that P's salary will be multiples of 11. So 56k will not be the salary. 55k, yes, 55k will be the answer for P. Why? Because multiple of 11, right? P salary will be multiple of 11. And in the last point, they have given that the salary of P will be less than 57. So less than 57 will be 56, will not be there. 55, it's a multiple of 11. So 55k will be the salary of P. And we already know that these two persons' salary sum will be equal to the CEO salary. So CEO salary is 95k and one person's salary will be 50k. So this person will be 45k. So only then we can say that when you add 50 and 45, resultant will be 95k. That will be the salary of the CEO, right? Okay. So next is still two more points, two more things has to be fixed, and we already know that the person who is 10 years of experience, right? So he is getting there. It's a direct rule. That second point. The one who has 10 years of experience earns less than 10k less than you. So definitely you is not 10-year experience. So T will be 10 years of experience, right? And E will be 3 more years experienced more. So this will be 13. And this person earns how much? 10k less than. And we know that this person is not getting 60k salary. So 60k will be the salary of the person T, and he is getting 10k less. So this person's salary will be 70k. Only then we can say that. So the person who has 10 years of experience getting 10k salary less than you. So 10k salary less than you, then you must be getting 70k. Only then we can say 10k salary less than you, and 10 years of experience. Right? I think finally we have fixed. So Q will be 5 years least experience, salary will be 45k. R will be 7 years of experience, 50k. So 8 years 55, 10 years 60, 13 years 70k, and the highest salary person CEO will be most experience also, right? 15 years plus 95k. Okay, so this will be the answer of this arrangement, right? Interesting question. These are the questions you have to solve more. These kinds of questions you have to keep on solving if you are preparing for a mains exam. Why? Because you know, mostly in the mains exam nowadays, for the past 3 years, you can able to see questions were asked in the based upon numbers, like P this much of salary less than square something, square of the number. So these kinds of questions were mostly asked in this recent 2 to 3 years of arrangements. So practice more. So write the test again. What I'm saying, write the test, practice regularly. Surely you can able to crack the mains exams, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, friends, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. Thank you so much. Bye.